Namaste Nepal, what another beautiful morning, and we're all set for a cracker. It's the Eliminator.
Match day number 16, our final doubleheader.
It's the CHITWAN Rhinos versus the Karnali Yaks. Two very close teams.
And as always, we're live from the TU International Cricket Ground.
For 6. 2 half-centuries and 1 almost getting to a half-century. It's been really good with the bat today.
There's a surprise right there.
That's into the leg side, calls for catching, and that has got to be the catch of the day. It's Gulshan Jha again, and how big is this wicket? Nandan Yadav gets the danger man, it's Ravi Bopara.
Santosh Karki has struggled. He's found in a battle out there, and Zishan is hitting to the boundary on the leg side, and Jha, who's been fantastic out there.
Down to the last wicket.
26 from one ball. Can we invent somewhere where you can get 26? Perhaps if you can reach Everest from here, we'll give you 26 off the last ball. I'll make up a new rule. Impossible. They can't do it. The Yaks, magnificent. Really have been superb today with bat, in the field, with the ball.
And he's going to pick up a boundary off the last delivery of this game. That's the end of the Rhinos here at the NPL. And the Yaks, they move on. They've had nearly a perfect game here as they win by 21 runs. Though for the Rhinos.
The Yaks, they proceed to qualifier 2 tomorrow.